in 2023, we're looking at digitizing the whole workflow, which means when we want to investigate something and be able to protect the built world, we can start preparing for a job before going into a site and take all the information we have, if we have any. We then acquire the data on site, and with using digital tools such as Inspect, we process that data if there is a need to process something, or we start analyzing that, and finally we report upon it. So this workflow allows us not only to protect the built world we believe, but also, as we hear from our customers, it allows to save time and increase in revenue. One of the recent mentions from our customer, he said that the reporting alone saves around 10 times more time for him, as he doesn't need to do report anymore manually. All of it is generated automatically with Inspect. So now, how do we achieve that with Inspect, right? How does this digital workflow works? So first of all, with Screening Eagle Inspect, we design it in a way that everything has a location. So it might be a corrosion issue on a bridge, which would contain a physical location somewhere in the world, maybe a crack on the wall or a window in a building. We have digital one-click reporting, which takes all that data with location and anything else you add into it and generates a report automatically. We then also have a dynamic dashboard in which you can have a look and quickly understand what is the current condition of your asset you have investigated, where the problems might lie within, and where the main parts of the issues can be. We also have an ability to capture quickly 360 images as we are on site with Inspect. This allows to really gather all of the data you might need to investigate a particular structure, and also revisit the data in future. You might have missed something, but it's much harder to miss something in a 360 data than not. We also have indoor navigation. So what this means, it allows you to really speed up your data capture process. You can use, you can just locate yourself on a 2D plan of any sort. It can be even a picture. You tell the system where you are, and you start quickly gathering all of the data you need on the site. Also, we are able to integrate data from our Screening Eagle sensors. What this means, for example, if you go on inspecting a bridge, and you take a Pondit or a GPR with you, and you look deeper into the structure you are assessing, you can add the data to Inspect and then revisit later. So it creates a link, not only a snapshot, which contains all of the data you need, metadata along it, the type of device, and so on. We have digital crack detection, which you'll see just in a second. And finally, we have lots of customization tools. Inspect, again, is created in a way that it is preset for you. So you have different templates which you can use straight away when you come to the site. However, if you have different types of jobs, you can edit those templates, you can create new ones in order to use Inspect for your need, right? We will look actually into this a bit deeper in our next webinar, which will be looking into how to properly set up templates and then use them on site.